Yeah, what up? It's ZK Zimbabwe Kid, and welcome to Sunday Poetry, a piece of poetry on Sundays with Zimbabwe Kid. Splash the cold water on my face, early morning bill blues. Oh, this stress, man, I gotta shake. More bills, a Vic notice, don't nobody notice how this deadline's got my nerves on skates. But I'm a grown man, no crying, old grind. Punching in these clocks make a comeback like Iron Mike. Graduating from a penny to a dime, dime to a dollar, dollar to a stack. Feed the bellies of my fam, man, that's a true fact. For that bread, I'ma win. For my niece and my kin. Riding in the yellow cab, can you feel me? 9 to 5, 5 to 9, double grinding. Where's the money? All I need's the opportunity. I got hope and dreams, MLK. Grind every day, you know why? If you don't grind, you don't eat. ZK Zimbabwe Kid, piece of poetry. Peace.